Hello there, I'm back once again asking you to join with me to help Sherman Cymru. In just over 2 months, we will get a chance to walk through the new doors and see the striking building for ourselves. And what a season to kick off with. Some amazing productions coming our way. It will certainly be worth the wait. As the building gets closer to finishing, so does the fundraising campaign. And now we have a chance to make a big difference. Many of you have already donated, and we would like to say an enormous thank you. But in this final push to the finish line, Sherman Cymru really needs you to dig deep. Donating through the Big Give Challenge Week will mean that your donation will be doubled pound for pound. How do you donate, I hear you ask? Well, between 10 a.m. Monday the 5th of December and 3 p.m. Friday the 9th of December, log on to the link that is written below and please donate. I leave you with this thought. If everyone who receives this e-flyer gives just £10, we will reach our target together. It's worth at least a tenner, but of course, you can donate as much as you like. Your donation will be doubled and you will have played a major part in reopening our well-loved theatre, Sherman Cymru. Thank you. Diolch.